Hi everybody, this is my first live session. Absolutely amateur about going live on Insta, but this is the first one. Pardon this sleepy face because I have a 4-month-old baby. I'm a single parent, so yes, it's a very bold move I've taken, but I just thought that hello, hi Shakti. Okay, so I'm getting the hang of this, and yeah, so this is my first live session. I would want to take a lot of inputs from you guys, and who else has, oh, the Dropmo person has joined in, my friend Sunil. Okay, so a lot of feedback that needs to be taken, by me from you. So I am going to basically go ahead and talk a lot about Ashni. You guys, if you all join in, talk a lot about your feedback. Negative, positive does not make a difference. Feedback is a feedback, irrespective. And yes, there are a few updates about Ashni that we are going to be sharing very soon. So I'll take it one by one. I don't have millions of followers. I don't even have thousands of followers. It's a small baby that I have just started off with last year, and this is the first time I'm going live. So thanks to one of my colleagues whom I'm going to introduce a little later, who provoked me, pushed me, gave me an extra nudge to go live, and that's what I did. So this is Amit Mehra. I have obviously updated my name as Arjun Mehra now, but you can call me either one of those two things. It's absolutely fine. Hey Sonal, how are you? That's my sister. And yes, so what about Ashni? I've always maintained that I wanted to start something different. You've got 10,000 or maybe 10 lakh brands in the market that talk about either different products or same products. Hello Sonal, and I at Ashni would go ahead and talk about my inception of Ashni started because I've always been in cloth. Yes, I have been a communication manager as well, so I've taken a break from that field right now and started off this small business, side by side. So Ashni, my idea or ideology was to go ahead and start off from everything getting in Ashni, from a pin to a plane, from a locket to probably the largest thing that a woman can wear is a lehenga. So my price range as of now has not gone, maximum it has gone about is up to 8,000 rupees, not more than that. Didn't want to do it. I wanted to start off small, establish myself, give customer a completely decent amount of products, or even on par or better, with a very very minimal profit. That's one thing of the inception of Ashni. So in the last 1 year, I have seen, I would say it's too premature to talk about it, but a lot of ups and downs that have happened. I would not talk about the downs because they're not major. In 1 year, what downs can you talk about? Yeah. So I'm going to talk about the ups first. Apart from my, I'm going to boast about myself also at times. Apart from the fact that I had a good, what do you say? I'm a very friendly person. So from a pillar to a post, I can easily make 10-12 friends. Obviously out of them God filters a few, and I have 5 left. I'm okay with that. So the count has become more. I have worked with IBM, I have worked with eClerx, I have worked before that with 3G for a very small stint. And obviously my family, my colleagues, my friends that I've met midway. So I have established quite a few relations, which I would say that it can help me also. And these relations were not made basis Ashni coming into action. No, this was always made because that's the way I am. I'm happy that all those relations didn't turn out to be futile. They are all fruitful, and I am extremely happy. So today when I advertise it to them, whatever product I have with Ashni, or what the vendor sends me fresh in the morning, I first flash it to them. Either they can buy it, or they can see it, keep it in their inbox, because that's what happens with Ashni, or they can send it to a friend who's got their birthdays or anniversaries or whatever it is. This was my concept. What I wanted to do is I wanted to get north, south, east and west, all the products time by time, tad bit a little with Ashni, and I wanted to get it into Ashni would have become a hub, is that way. So I would definitely, because I'm not an atheist, I would definitely talk and thank God, because somewhere on the line my Ladakh trip happened, where I got into this Tibetan market. I got this Tibetan jewelry which did wonders in a few places. Like I held a lot of exhibitions since last year apart from the lockdown, and I am so happy that even the East came in so smoothly that I didn't really come to know. So that's one. I will explore more parts of India and get more vendors for sure. That's number 2. Number 3 on the agenda, probably next year, which I wanted to start this year, but because of the lockdown I couldn't do it. I would go ahead and start off with men's t-shirts very soon. I don't want to have the run-of-the-mill t-shirts where everybody is doing the same thing with some message on the t-shirt and all. No, I want to start off with something which is really, really decent enough to be bought. How do I look at purchase? I look at it as like, if I was a customer, would I buy it at this rate, this range, this quality, this design? If I think I can do it, then I'll give it to the customer. Yes, I would also confess that sometimes I put up stuff which probably I don't believe in, but my friends and colleagues says, you know what, this is good, why don't you put that? And to my surprise, that stuff sells. So I would always believe in a mixture of both. That's number 3 point that I wanted to explain. I wanted feedback from a lot of people, but like I told you, I'm a very, very, very small pebble in the entire ocean. I don't have so many followers, but I thought I will do this to at least let you all know first, with a humble thank you, that you all made Ashni whatever success, 10, 15, 25% in 1 year. You all made Ashni a success. People take 7 years to break even and do well. In 1 year I have seen quite a few positives, so I thank you with the Indian way, which I would say thank you very much. The second thing the fifth thing is that maybe in a week or so, it's delayed, I'm going to start off with Jaipuri bed sheets, good quality ones. So I'm going to be, because of lockdown again, I'm going to blame everything on the lockdown. I could not have a proper photo session, I couldn't call anybody home, not barring the fact that obviously I have a kid now who's 4 months old, he's an infant. I would definitely not call people home to do anything with Ashni. I'll try to take pics, I'll try to edit and make them really, really viable for you guys, not to cheat, but to show you a beautiful picture. Say give me another 10-15 days or even lesser, and I would start flashing the bed sheets of Jaipur. I have just purchased 20-25 right now, and if God willing, I can make another trip to Jaipur, say next Feb or March, if everything cools down. I would go ahead and do that. Mihir Gandhi, hey Mihir, hi, thank you for joining. It feels nice when even if you have a very small Ashni family and people are still joining. Thank you very much. So this is the update about Ashni. I'll just have a quick recap for all of you all. Number 1, we have done decently well with a few ups and downs in the last 1 year. Have got amazing feedback by people, and even if it's like you put it across as negative, I put it across as constructive. The feedback has really, really helped. Honestly, I'm the first person, or maybe the 10th person or 12th person in this world. I'm greedy for even negative feedback, because that is what will make me move ahead with a lot of gusto attitude. So give me feedback please here on my portal ashni.in, www.ashni.in, or you can ping me on Insta. You can I'll share my number with you. I can add you to a broadcast list. I'm sure you all know what the broadcast list is. Number 3 is that we have been dealing from a pin to a plane for women's accessories and clothing. Soon we're going to get into men's, probably next year. But the upcoming update is for Jaipuri bed sheets. Fourth, I told you I can't thank you guys enough. I hope I put in the same hierarchy. I can't thank you guys enough for being so encouraging. And I don't know what to say. I mean, I am overwhelmed, to be very honest. The credit, obviously, apart from God, first the credit goes to my parents, my mom and dad. Pinky has joined in. Hey Pinky, I hope you're doing well. God bless you. So I think my first credit goes to my parents, and I'm not saying this to get any brownie points, because that's not what I am. My friends and colleagues know me. I believe in calling a spade a spade. Nobody in this world can move ahead without their parents' blessings, and I think, touch wood, or they say knock wood, I have that in abundance, and I hope to God it stays on my head as long as I live. Yes, so that's about Ashni. We have one more update. I am supposed to introduce you to somebody. Probably that person will join with me very soon. So just waiting for him to join in, and then we'll talk about it. We are affiliated with, thank you Pinky, thank you for your wishes. We are affiliated with recently, a month or two back, with a brand, with a website called Dropmore. I'll give you a brief update about Dropmore, and then probably that colleague of mine can come and talk to you. So he's a colleague of mine. He was a trainee of mine in IBM when I was almost about to exit IBM, and he joined in, and I was his trainer. We connected after 8 years, and he gave me this idea, and I'll give you very brief update about Dropmore, and probably he's the right person to talk about. So I'll give you an example. Say if an Ashni product, like I told you, we've already reasonably priced it, but in case an Ashni product is for 100 rupees, Dropmore probably will have it for 80 rupees. And the concept of Dropmore is that the more you drop in the basket, which is your cart, every product, or has a certain amount of discount on it. I would not grade it in a percentage, because some have 100 rupee off, some has a 50 rupees off, some have probably 20 rupees off, and some have 150 or 200 rupees off. So I would not categorize it into a percentage, but Dropmore is, the more you drop when you shop, the more discount is what you get. How secure is it? Is that even though you'll pay him, there's a GPay, and GPay cannot be it cannot be manipulated, and GPay is obviously a government thing, so the money goes into him. He calls me up and he says, this is the order. I get the cash from him and I ship the goods out. So I have tried to make it as trustworthy as possible for my customers. And hence I am associated with Dropmore. Probably I will have to ask my colleague to join in, more feedback about the same. So I have already gone ahead and asked him to join me. Again, if there's any feedback, please go and tell me. And that's my colleague out there. That's his name is Sunil. Hi, Sunil.
Hi, Amit.
How are you doing?
Is it better? Is it better?
Your face is discussed.
Okay. No, because your face is like, yeah. You have kept the phone like, yeah. So is it okay like this?
Hi, Smigda.
Oh.
So you know what, the customers can adjust this time, because your camera is vertical, mine is horizontal. Yeah, now I think it's perfect. Now, but your face is getting cut to me. So if you could just
one second.
Yeah.
Just 1 second. Is it better?
Sunil is going to talk a little more about Dropmore with you guys. And then if there's any other questions for me or Sunil, y'all can drop in the comment section. Sunil, the stage is all yours.
Yeah. Thank you so much, first of all, Amit, for giving me this opportunity where I can connect with your customer. And I'm really excited where we are working from last 1.5 months together with Ashni and Dropmore. I've learned a lot of things from you. as you have already mentioned that I was your trainee, one of your trainee 8 years back. You have taught me a lot more things, and this is our journey where both of us are working together to build some brand or some good business. And I really would like to thank each and every individual who has joined us. Okay, they have given their precious time to us to understand. So now coming to the drop mode. So I would just like to say that no drop mode, it's like we are just trying to re-innovate the traditional way of shopping, what we were doing it before online has come to our lives. Okay, the traditional way we had a good relationship with the brands, with the customers, or maybe like no, you can say that no, in one area we have that loyalty for like 10 years, 15 years with the shopkeeper, and we go out there with the friends and family and we shop more products, and we get no some kind of a good discounts and rewards on those things. So if I have to explain it in a very simple way, so this is Dropmo. As Amit has already explained, like what Dropmo concept is all about. So I will also give you again a better example like how Dropmo works. Okay, so Dropmo is simple concept. The more you shop, the more you save. Okay, the more product you shop, okay, the more savings you will do it on each and every product. Okay, we have just created one video as well, a demo video about the drop mode, which I will be sharing with Amit. Okay, so Amit can put it, share it with you guys. Okay, so you can understand like what kind of a concept it is all about. So coming to this, okay, like coming to such kind of an venture where we already have a such big player like in Flipkart or Amazon or X number of websites are there, e-commerce website. So we thought, no, this is not just about an e-commerce website. We are just trying to create a system where we have a good and trusted customers, okay, who will get rewarded, okay, being a good and the loyal customer to a brand. For example, if we go, if I was talking about the traditional shopping, what we were doing in before online shopping has came to our lives. Okay, so it was like we know that shopkeeper for years, and no, we had a very good relationship with that shopkeeper, and he knows that this customers and his family comes for years to us for doing a shopping, and he also gives us no like a personal discount. Okay, each and every individual gets a personal discount depending on their loyalty, depending on the products they buy from them, what kind of a relationship they have built up with the customer and with the shopkeeper. So it's a very simple thing where no where if a very good customer, okay, who buys more, okay, who's a very like no doesn't like we can say that no the return thing and all those things, so he get rewarded personally. So it's all about no the discount what we offer, okay, it depends on the person to person, and we try to make it more personalized discount. And as Amit has already mentioned, like no, we don't try to know put the prices high. Actually, we are really working hard as we are a very small company. We just started off, as Amit has also mentioned that he also started off 1 year back. So it is a bit challenge for us to bring down the price, but we are really working hard so that we can bring down the price as much we can for our customers. And coming to the transactions and everything, it's totally safe. It's totally safe. As Amit has already mentioned that the transaction it's going to happen through an GPay, okay, which is already in terms of Google is one of the great company in terms of know the products and the securities. Okay, so yeah, I know that it's a very big concern for all the individuals going to a new site, trusting them, doing a transaction. So it's again coming to the online transaction. It's anytime it's all safe. Okay, and if you still have any questions, you can reach out to Amit and me. Okay, I will be sharing my email ID with you guys. Okay, I will be sharing it with Amit, so you can reach me out anytime. If you feel that no, this product should be there, so anything, any kind of a feedback, we are always open for feedback. Yeah, this is what I have, Amit. Anything?
No, I think it's sorted. Hopefully, I look at something which my heart tells me, and today we have 3-4 joiners, and I'm sure that you said that you're going to put this on YouTube, and we're going to go a little bigger and bigger. And I think I've always believed in the concept that every drop counts in the ocean. Um,
Yes.
and I would also like to. It was a very tad bit delay, so I would like to apologize. Whether it's today or tomorrow, my work professionals always know that commitment is a commitment. I have even in training, let it be for a good 12 years. 12 years of being on time or before time is my prerogative. But if I was delayed today or is somebody saying hi, hello, how are you? And sorry, you know what? I can only see MNM. Sorry, MM93. If you could tell me your name, because I'll have to go back into my followers list. It would be great. But a hi to you. And yes, as I was telling you that I am going to take this extra leeway that, like I told you, I am a single parent. I've gone in for that bold decision, and my son is only 4 months old. So if tomorrow we go live again, and tomorrow means whenever in the future, if there is a tad bit delay, I would update you all on my broadcast list. If somebody in the Instagram is not on my broadcast list and they wish to get added, please feel free to message me here if you don't have my number, which will be very, very seldom. I'm sure everybody has my number. So let me know, and you all know a broadcast list is not a group. It goes to you as an individual message. Yes, one more thing I would like to tell all of you all in Ashni is that apart from the products that I'm going to be, I have displayed and I'm going to be displaying, I also go ahead and deal with vendor products directly, which has been like a plus point in Ashni in this lockdown. So what I do is I get, like I told you earlier, I get the vendor pictures in advance, in the morning, evening, night, whatever it is. And probably I've got a good 500 to 1,000 pictures, but I don't flash everything. I flash it in at regular intervals, and not more than maximum 10, 15, because I don't believe in bombarding your inbox. So what I'm trying to say is, at times those products will be only for the broadcast list and not for the Ashni portal. If I think something is very, very lucrative, which I would like to buy and keep it in store with Ashni, I would go ahead and flash it on Insta as well. Hence, I'm saying if out of 100%, I put 70% on Ashni and 30% I don't. For those 30%, you all can always reach out to me. I'll put that product, and if I see that the product is doing really, really well, I would obviously, if I put it on Insta, mean it's going to go into drop more as well. So I would want that product which is very fast moving or normal moving or even at a slow pace moving, I'll give it to drop more, provided that product is with me. So when Dropmore tells me that today is a sale of this particular product, I would go ahead and give it to once he sets a sale, I will go ahead and send it to his customer, whether it's my customer or Sunil's customer. That does not really matter. It's a dicey situation, but you know the situation outside, so you can't help it. I am in a way thankful that this. Hey Shruti, how are you? Nice to see you. So I'm very thankful to the fact that a lot of my products have moved, which are with me, with Ashni. I've given Sunil all the pictures of those products and the price range. And there are certain products that I flash on daily basis. Sunil, even this is a suggestion for you that's just come up right now. If you are added to my broadcast list, if you feel that some product with the range that is there with your, the way we've spoken, if you feel that you need to put those products, and we can share those thoughts separately. And I will feel the urge. I'll probably ask him to get those products to my house, and I can store it. So that's what I can do. Hi Shruti, and a lot of love to you from my end. Lot of love. So that's what I think is Ashni. I like the session. I had 5 or 7 or 8 people to join in. I expected zilch. Absolutely zero, honestly. But you guys are amazing, and you all know me offline. So a big love to all of you all. Good wishes are always with you all, which are pure, directly from my heart. So are my words. So thank you. I wish to do this session again, probably before Christmas is what we're looking out for, Sunil.
Yeah, we are looking out for a winter season, so we will be coming live again before Christmas. Yeah, we will be sharing those things with everyone.
I'm sorry to Sunil first and to you guys. We skipped or missed Diwali. Again, getting back, not blaming my son. Again, getting back to the fact that my son is really, really small. He needs my attention. And my mom and dad are there. Touch wood, God bless them. So that fixed, but I would not miss the Christmas season at all. And we will be introducing, the first thing we're going to be introducing in the next week are the bed sheets, Jaipuri bed sheets. And probably with time, we will also get more products in Dropmore on Insta and everything. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys have been very good, you'll all only give me love, and that's what gets me more strength. And yes, I have nothing else to say. Sunil, if you want to add anything, otherwise we can end the
Uh,
side.
No, I would just like to add that no, we are here for a journey of no reinventing the way physical retail was working previously and trying to bring, yeah, trying to bring the cost down for the product as much we can, so that no all our customers can afford a product at a very minimal, or you can say that no at the budget centric price you can afford it. So that is what we are here for. And I'm really excited and really happy to work with Amit, where I have worked with him like 8 years back. And again, I got an opportunity to work with him like as a business person, where he was my trainer and I was his trainee. So I will always like to thanks Amit for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much, Amit. And
Most
we're just
welcome, my
looking
friend.
forward so that no, yeah, we can serve our customer in any manner, okay, and we can just deliver a good product and the service to them and make them happy. That is what it's all about.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's always going to be the prerogative with Ashni, where we only want to cater to you, and we're not saying it as a politically correct thing. We're saying it because we really mean it. I honestly, um, I want to be on the other side of the grass now. I want feedback from you guys. I've always given you feedback. Now I want feedback. Um, I'm again telling you there's nothing negative. If I feel that it's not required, probably I'll filter it out. Or I'll get back to you also personally explaining my side of the story, not to be defensive. But feedback and criticism is a must in this field. It is like a mandate. So you can't really get away with it. Please give me your constructive feedback. And hi, mom, love you. So I would be really, really happy. Yeah. I think we'll end the session, and probably on the 15th or 17th of December, before Christmas, we will again roll out. I hope to see that the number 8 or 9 that have come in today becomes 10 and 11. And every time we come in live, you guys keep encouraging me and joining me and encouraging Drop More as well. So, again, with a very humble love in my heart and in a humble way, I'll say thank you very much, guys, for joining in. And the other people who've not joined in, probably Sunil will put this thing on YouTube as well and share the link with me, and then you can see it that time. Yeah. Thank you very
Yeah.
much. Happy Sunday. Stay safe. I'm not saying it again because it's a serial going on. I really mean it. Stay safe. We are probably experiencing another wave coming in, if it's true, the news. Um, Keep your immunity high, and I'm going to go off Ashni and become again Amit or Arjun Mehra to you. Number one, vitamin C, your light water. Number two, your vitamin E. Number three, your vitamin E. Have a lot of nuts, a fistful of nuts, because that will keep your immunity high. Make sure that the elders in the house also stay safe, and the kids and infants. And so do you, because you're the worker of the house right now, all of y'all. God bless you, your family. Stay safe, and we'll soon fight Corona, and probably we'll have Ashni more face to face with our customers in an exhibition. And yes, looking forward to seeing all of you. Take care, guys. Bye. Bye, Sunil. I'll talk
Yeah.
to you.
Thank you.